Welcome to Engage Math Pre-Algebra Lesson 16, Problem 6. So you went to dinner and had an expensive dinner of $175. The sales tax was 10%. So one way, as we know, to find 10% of something is to do 0.10, which is the same as 10%, 10 over 100, times 175. But to be honest, I'd like you to be able to do 10% of something in your head because it's just going to move that decimal point over one position to the left. I put an extra zero after the 5 because it's representing money. So the sales tax is $17.50. Now the tip is 20%. So to be honest, we could do 0.20 times 175. But the reason we already know we're going to get $35 is 20% is just double what 10% is. And they want the 20% to be the tip before the tax was added in. So this is 20% of 175, which is $35. And what we're asking for is the total right here. So our grand total for number 6 for an expensive dinner is $227.50. So let's just write that down. That is our total. Okay, let's go to the next one where we're actually saving money. Okay, so we want 15% off. So we're going to do 0.15, not equals, times 43.50, because we are going to take that off of the original price. So when we get that, we're going to save $6.53. Okay. All right. So now we have to do our sales tax goes after the discount. So what we have to do is we have to think about what, in this case, the sales tax is 10%, but we don't get taxed on the original price. We get taxed on the sales price. So I'm going to just say 10% of, meaning multiply again, the regular price minus what we saved by getting 15% off. Okay, and when you type that into your calculator, you should get $3.70. And I'm rounding to the nearest penny. So this is going to be something we're subtracting. We're subtracting $6.53, but we have to add in the sales tax. So I'm going to put a little plus $3.70. So our grand total in this problem, let's write it up here just to have enough space for everything, is $40.60. Okay, real world examples. Make sure you understand it, and we'll see you next time at Engage Math.